A biscoff Swiss roll is a delightful dessert that features a soft, airy sponge cake rolled around a rich, creamy filling infused with biscoff cookie spread. The sponge, often flavored with hints of vanilla, is baked until light and fluffy, then spread generously with the iconic spiced caramelized flavor of biscoff. Once rolled up, it is typically dusted with powdered sugar or drizzled with chocolate for added indulgence. This treat combines the unique taste of speculoos cookies with a classic Swiss roll design, offering a deliciously sweet and decadent experience that's perfect for gatherings or a cozy afternoon snack.